In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing finances for your business or personal accounts, properly categorizing your transactions is crucial for maintaining accurate records and gaining insights into your financial health. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard that gives you an overview of your financial situation. From here, our first move is to navigate to the top where you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional features and tools that QuickBooks offers. The next step takes us to the Accounting section. Click on this and you'll open up a new realm of possibilities for managing your accounts and tracking your transactions effectively. When you're in the Accounting section, look for an option that says Bank Transactions. Selecting this will bring you a step closer to categorizing those all-important transactions. Now, you might notice that when I reach this part, my screen doesn't show any transaction history yet. Don't worry if yours looks different. In your view, you'll likely see a list of transactions that have been downloaded from your bank and are ready to be reviewed. What we're focused on is moving these to the Categorized section, ensuring everything's labeled correctly. On your screen, you'll notice an option titled Categorized. Clicking on this initiates the categorization process, allowing you to sort each transaction according to its rightful category. This is a vital step because it directly affects how your financial reports and statements are generated. For example, you might categorize transactions as expenses, income, or other financial activities based on their nature. Once you click on Categorized, QuickBooks will often offer suggestions based on previous transactions you've categorized. It's okay to take a moment here to review these suggestions. If you're satisfied with what QuickBooks has proposed, you can approve them easily. However, if you have any new transactions that the system hasn't recognized, you'll need to enter them manually. Make sure to select the most accurate categories that represent each transaction. This might involve doing a quick check to confirm the right category if you're unsure about any specific transaction. That's basically it. With these steps, you can efficiently categorize your transactions, ensuring all your finances are in order. By following this process regularly, you're not just keeping things organized, you're empowering yourself with the financial clarity that is essential for making informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your accounts with added confidence and ease.